In this video, we're going to talk about arc measure. Arc measure, there's a couple things we want to talk about. The central angle, first of all, and we'll talk about two different types of arcs, a minor arc and a major arc. So firstly, a central angle is an angle with its vertex at the center, just like it says central angle. So from the center, we will create our angle. So I'll plot my center as C. And I drew an angle out, so all of these angles are created by just connecting two radii. So I'll draw two radii out into the edge of our circle, and that creates an angle. So this angle that's created is our central angle. Now, if you see, the angle is actually cutting off a part of our circle and is creating an arc. This arc is what we're looking at when we're looking at arc measure. Okay? Now, if the arc measure, arc measure is a segment that joins two endpoints together. So these two endpoints. If the arc is less than 180 degrees, it's going to be called a minor arc. Okay, so here we have a minor arc. If you don't know if it's above or below 180 degrees, well, a full circle is 360. So if I am anywhere less than half of the circle, then we know it's going to be a minor arc. If it's going to be greater than 180 degrees, we call it a major arc. And that would be something like this here. So on the other side, this would be a major arc. All right, so I'm going to label that a major arc in red. So that would be a major arc. Okay. A semicircle, just like how it sounds, semi is half. So half of a circle is an arc with its endpoints on the diameter. And if you watched the video previously, you'll see that we talked about diameter and how we can draw the diameter, but it's basically just the a line that goes straight through the center. Okay. So we'll see what a diameter looks like in some example problems. Key concept to go over for our notes here. The arc measure, so let's say this minor arc, is actually equal to the central angle. So the arc measure is equal to the central angle.